They say the essence to every good garden is one that reflects all 4 seasons of the year. Hello, I'm David Wilson, and as you can see, I'm coming to you today on a cold and chilly morning in the middle of January, right in the middle of the winter. And as we look forward to another new gardening year and all the excitement and thrills and yes, hard work that goes into developing and looking after a garden, I wanted to show you now in this downtime some of the pictures that my wife and I have taken over the last 20 years or so that we've been working here in this garden, in what we regard as our own little bit of paradise. It's a garden that's far from perfect, as you'll see, but it's a garden that we planted out in a very kind of natural way with a blend of plants that grow together to make a very enjoyable and yet a low maintenance garden that we as working people here are able to look after on our own. So sit back, enjoy the pictures, and then when you get a chance, drop us a note or two and let us know what you think about the gardens, what you like best about it, and if there's some things in it that you might want to think about growing in your garden. And of course, if you like what you're seeing, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and if you're not already subscribed to our channel, please think about doing so. And then go along and visit some of our partnering garden centres and get some of their help and guidance that will, I hope, inspire you to be able to recreate your own little bit of paradise. Now, I've entitled this An Oasis for All Seasons, because that's really what this garden is for us, a place for my wife and I to relax, to enjoy the pleasures of the whole year round, whether it's bulbs in springtime or drifts of daffodils, a place for us to play with our dogs and enjoy the many pleasures of growing plants, all laid out through our garden in a kind of natural style, a place to enjoy individual plants and a place to look forward to growing them also in quantity. It's a garden that's always changing and evolving through the year. That's what we love about how the seasons change, how they reflect the different appearances in the individual beds and borders that we've created at different times of the year. As you see, we've put in some trees and shrubs and evergreens, flowering plants, of course, that light up the garden in springtime, drifts of ground cover, places that we're able to enjoy in a nice kind of natural landscape way, the individual flowers, and then great drifts of the various types of plants that we have, all coming together to create ground cover. That means we don't have to be out there mulching large beds each spring. These plants all grow together in a way that's a nice, natural kind of combination that gives us height, texture and form, as well as, very importantly for us, lots of colour through the year. So whether it's these magnolias in springtime or later on, as you'll see in follow-up videos, foliage colour or texture and form all coming together to give us a garden that reflects colour and interest, places where we're able to enjoy the various desirable forms of wildlife that come to the garden, and yet at the same time deal with undesirable things that come to visit the garden, like deer and rabbits too. Here's how we use a simple thing like lily of the valley to bring fragrance and drifts of ground cover through the beds. These are plants that grow out and form these natural kind of canopies and colonies that all fill together to cut down on the maintenance and yet bring us this nice seasonal colour that we're able to enjoy, whether it be now in springtime or later on in summer or into the fall, or like I was showing you a moment or two ago on a chilly winter's morning. Texture and form, attractive foliage, beautiful flowers all coming together to give us this continual display of colour and interest and texture in the garden that we're then able to enjoy as a family. So there you are. There's a little sampling of some of the fun and enjoyment we've had growing plants here in our garden. I hope you find it helpful. I hope it encourages you to think about what you can do in your garden, and be sure to tune in because there's other videos upcoming on this channel that I hope will help you create your own little bit of personal paradise as well. This is David Wilson. Enjoy your gardening. It's good for us and it's good for our environment too.